problem. Segment RS is the diameter of the circle with center O and point T lies on the exterior of the circle. Prove that angle RTS, this angle, is an acute angle. So for that, first thing we need to do the construction. Join RT and TS. Now you can see we have joined these lines RT, okay, and we have taken point A, so that such that AS is perpendicular to RT, and we have joined these lines, okay. Now first let us write what we want to prove. We want to prove that angle RTS, this angle RTS is acute angle. So we know the definition of acute angle. Acute angle means the measure of that angle is 90 degree. Now in solution, write down join RT and TS. Join RT and TS. After that, take point A on segment RT such that AS is perpendicular to RT. Okay. Now you can see that angle RAS is equal to 90 degree. This angle is equal to 90 degree because this angle is inscribed in semicircle. RAS is 90 degree. Okay, and as these are perpendicular, so this angle will also be 90 degree. SAT will also be 90 degree. Okay, so segment we have written earlier only, they are perpendicular. Now consider in triangle, write down in triangle AST, measure of all the angles, that is angle SAT plus angle ATS plus angle TSA is equal to sum of all the angles are 180 degree. So angle SAT will be your 90 degree, angle ATS plus angle TSA is equal to 180 degree. So you can shift it that side, angle ATS plus angle TSA is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So now we had concluded that measure of these two angles ATS, this angle, plus TSA is equal to 90 degree. So obviously if these two angles are 90 degree, so you can write angle ATS angle will be less than 90 degree. So hence we can write, therefore we can write angle RTS will also be less than 90 degree. ATS or RTS, we have just increased the segment, but the angle remains the same. Hence angle RTS is acute angle. This is the solution.